Do you know what foods are making you age faster? We often forget that what we eat or don't eat plays a significant role in our skin's health and aging process. The food on our plates can be our most potent weapon against premature aging or our greatest foe. In our exploration today, we'll be discussing 6 common foods that might be promoting aging. Brace yourselves, as this revelation may alter your food choices forever. Prepare to be surprised, some of these foods might be your favorite. First on our list is the sweet culprit, sugar. Sugar, while tantalizing to your taste buds, can be a stealthy foe to your skin. Consuming too much sugar triggers a process called glycation, where sugar molecules latch onto proteins and fats, speeding up the aging process. This process can ignite inflammation and wreak havoc on collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and elastic. The result? Wrinkles and sagging skin. So, next time you crave for that sweet treat, remember its not-so-sweet consequences. Next up is processed meats. These seemingly harmless foods can be deceptive. They're often high in saturated fats and sulfites, culprits that can incite inflammation and accelerate the aging process. But it doesn't stop there. Processed meats are also loaded with salt, a sneaky ingredient that can cause water retention and puffiness, making your skin appear older than it truly is. For a healthier, younger-looking skin, it's time to rethink your protein sources. Choose lean, natural proteins instead. Third on the list, alcohol. Now we've all heard that a little wine can be good for you, right? But when we talk about excessive drinking, the story changes. Alcohol can seriously dehydrate your skin and rob it of essential nutrients, leading to premature aging. Not to mention, it can cause blood vessels to expand, resulting in unwanted redness and puffiness. Remember, it's not about giving up on your favorite drink, it's about balance. Moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. Fourth on our list, fried foods. These tantalizing treats are packed with trans fats, a notorious villain in the world of health. Trans fats are known to trigger inflammation and spawn free radicals. Inflammation makes your skin more susceptible to wrinkles, while free radicals attack your skin cells, accelerating the aging process. It's a double whammy that could rob your skin of its youthful glow. So the next time you're tempted by those golden crispy fries, remember the price your skin has to pay. Fifth on our list, white bread. Now don't let its fluffy exterior fool you. White bread, a high glycemic food, is a silent ager. It can trigger inflammation in your body, accelerating the aging process. But that's not all. It can also cause spikes in your blood sugar levels, leading to various skin issues. It might be time to rethink that sandwich staple. Choose whole grain alternatives for a healthier choice. Trust me, your skin and your body will thank you for it. Last on our list, salty snacks. These tempting treats can have a sneaky impact on your skin's health. Consuming excess salt can lead to water retention, causing unwanted puffiness and bloating. But that's not all. Too much salt can also dehydrate your skin, leading to dryness and the early onset of wrinkles. It's a double whammy that can age your skin before its time. So next time you reach for a snack, remember to opt for healthier alternatives to keep your skin looking young and fresh. So, there you have it. We've unmasked the culprits: sugar, processed meat, alcohol, fried foods, white bread, and salty snacks. Each one, while tempting, can hasten the aging process and leave your skin looking less than its best. It's clear that a balanced, nutritious diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining a youthful glow. So let's bid adieu to these aging accelerators and welcome healthier choices into our daily meals. Remember, what you eat can either age you or keep you looking youthful. Choose wisely.